In addition, if you want the encoder settings for a circular axis from 0 to 360 degree, there is also a setting in the high-speed I/O. So we will go back to the high-speed I/O setting. A high-speed counter setting. Scroll this down here to the ring length section. We enable the ring length section and put in 360. So this way we will have 360 degree check. Push OK. Apply the setting and go ahead and download it. This time we'll have only to download the parameters of the CPU. Reset the CPU again. Start the watch window. Okay, the watch window is still running. And now if I turn the encoder, it will switch from 359 over to 0. I make this really slow. There you go. And also, if we turn the encoder the other way around, it will go from 0 to 355. Oh, that was too fast. Try this again. 3, 2, 1, 0, and 359. There you go. If I toggle it back and forth, you can see it goes from 359 over to 0. There you go. This is how you can make, let's say, an eccentric press, or you can make a cam switch box in order to control and monitor signals on a tool and die system.